feels so nice to be here. It's a fantastic part of the world here. Hello and welcome back to the channel and welcome to Barcelona. I'm here now on a morning walk on our local beach. Our apartment is just behind us there, about 100 meters away. We are 15 kilometers. I don't know if you can see just in the distance over there, that is central Barcelona. We're 15 kilometers away, exactly on the coast, on this just stunning beach. I'll do a full apartment tour in about 2 minutes because we've got frontline view of the sea, and I had no idea the beach stretched on this far. You know, you wake up in the morning, you've got cyclists going past, you know, motorbikes whizzing along, people paddleboarding from 7 a.m. and it's November now, people swimming, surfing, yachts out in the distance. To any Americans and Australians, this, Barcelona, is Europe's answer to Byron Bay, to California. It's that incredible, good quality of life, beautiful open spaces, everything well kept, everything catered for just the most stunning outdoor lifestyle. It's a breathtakingly amazing quality of life out here. I cannot describe how incredible it is. The amount of money spent on open spaces. You know, behind me, this is a cycle lane, fully lit, all night, with palm trees all the way along, all the way in to central Barcelona. You've got people rollerblading in, cycling in, electric bikes. Oh, it's glorious. Right, I will take you upstairs, do an apartment tour, and then we're going on into central Barcelona for a bit of breakfast. Oh, it feels so nice to be here. It's a fantastic part of the world here. Welcome. You know, we were shocked. We were looking for somewhere on AirBnB, and if you're looking for short term, let's say 1 week to a month or something, you're going to do really well to find somewhere for £2,500 a month or less in Barcelona. Bear in mind, this is 15 kilometers out. We got this for £1,500 and we were delighted to find this. I think this is a very, very good find compared to the rest of the stuff cost-wise. 2 bedrooms, lovely frontline view. This is the spare bedroom, but I've turned this into a bit of a walk-in wardrobe for me.
This is your room.
Yeah, that's where I notice it's more messy. We've then got this area that we probably will never use, but it's actually a huge space. Just a bit of laundry there.
It's very overlooked.
It is very overlooked. Also, clothes take about 3 days to dry because it never gets any sun. Coming through to main bedroom, which is a great size. And again, that door at the end that leads out into the terrace or the patio area. Bar from there. And you know, it's all just very modern and easy to live in. Little utility room, which is actually extremely useful as well. TV area that Monica has already readjusted because as soon as we get anywhere, Monica likes to move the sofa into a position that she likes. So that's Monica's idea of the perfect snug area there. Sofa facing the TV, little kitchen area here with, again, Monica's moved the table so it's close to the window so you can sit, enjoy your food and have the view. Lovely little kitchen area here with, well, with everything you need, including a dishwasher, which actually for us is amazing because I hate doing the dishes. And the thing that makes it It's a frontline view. I mean, you've got the main road there, which gets a little bit noisy. You've then got the railway, which runs all the way into Barcelona at the other side. And then the other side of that, there are lots of underpasses, and you get to the beach there. But you can see Barcelona in the distance very easily there. It's a fantastic little apartment. Really delighted with it. And I didn't realise how nice the suburbs would be of Barcelona. And they're beautiful. We did have to pay, I think it's 120 euros for the parking space downstairs. And I'm glad we did, because space is slightly at a premium for parking, and we've got a spot big enough for the car, the trailer and the motorbike comfortably. So we'll show you downstairs, and then let's take you with us to, I think, Honest Greens, which is always our go-to place in Barcelona. And we will take you with us on a morning in Barcelona. The one thing since being in Barcelona for a few days now that I often forget is genuinely good value. You know, that delicious sandwich was €4.90. It's fantastic value, €4.90. We get asked quite a lot of questions on comments and things like that about how do we afford this lifestyle. I think some people may think we're millionaires, so it's quite fun reading the comments. But I thought I'd just kind of try and answer as honestly as possible, because the reason we can afford this is probably more so than anything else the low overheads that we have. You know, we were considering before we came out, you know, should we rent out long-term an apartment in Ipswich, and maybe I know I want a Defender, for example, but that would have just increased the overheads too much if you're paying two rents. If you're paying a rent back in Ipswich, with all of the bills that come with it, and of course if you've got the overheads that a car loan would come with, it just increases those monthly overheads and increases the stress, where you're thinking, you know, I've got to make sure I've got X amount in the bank, and if anything goes wrong, I won't have enough. So at the moment, we've got incredibly low overheads, and we rent out the property that we used to live in England. So effectively, it costs no more being here. In fact, the truth is it's often quite a bit less, but certainly it costs no more being in Barcelona and travelling around the place than it would just paying rent for somewhere in the UK. So effectively, wherever we are, now in Barcelona for a month, that is our accommodation for a month. You know, this has cost us £1,500 for the month, but that's with all bills included, and in the UK, you're going to be spending that anyway. Will we settle down in the future? Yeah, probably will, but
we don't know where.
we still don't know where, that's the thing. So right now we just choose our base as wherever we decide to be, and we just go from place to place. And right now it feels amazing. It feels like a dream, you know, being able to travel. So we want to make the most of it before we properly settle down, because if we did have somewhere and paying 2 rents, it would make it infinitely harder if we had to pay rent somewhere else. Not quite impossible, but quite close to impossible at the point we're at the moment. So that's how we do it. Incredibly low overheads, in essence. Okay, Monica said we have to wrap it up. She's got a huge amount of work to do. I'm also heading off to the MotoGP in a day and a half, so need to get ready for that. So we'll wrap it up there. We've got a month here in Barcelona, so there'll be plenty of stuff coming. Thanks so much, everyone, for coming on. Please do give the video a like, subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you all in the next one.